known for her famous music performances.
निभनी नी तेरे तो मैनू है पता सी रखे यकीन बस मेरी खता सी
She recently achieved a milestone on social media.
मेरे दिमाग में वो कैटेगरी नहीं है. A good song is a good song, and it doesn't matter if it's a film song or an indie song. So that's how I think.
Music's India A-list proudly recognizes Jasleen Royal for excellence in entertainment.
Hello and welcome to our special series MusicX India A-List. Joining me today on this special broadcast is none other than the very talented Jasleen Royal. Jasleen, welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you so much for having me over.
It's our pleasure. Jasleen, if I'm not mistaken, your birthday is on the 8th. How do you plan on celebrating
Yes.
it?
I have been planning since the last 2 years, and this time I'm not planning because there's been a lockdown every time.
Yeah.
But I'm grateful, things are better now and people are getting vaccinated.
Yeah.
So I'm not planning on anything because right now I don't think you should be planning things because it's very random. So I don't know what's gonna happen. Yeah.
Right. Also, have there been any key lessons during the pandemic?
Yes, of course. As in, like everyone else, I got to spend some time with my family, and you just get lost in this rut of life that where you just think about work, and you just put everything on the sideline, and you think, हाँ कर लेंगे, maybe next year, next month.
Yeah.
So it's been a wake up call, balance it out. Because you don't know what's gonna happen. Like you can't control things, so balance it out. Like balance your work life with your personal life. Give time to your family, and it's okay. Take it easy. Like sometimes things might not fall on your like timelines. Sometimes you see मेरे को 35 से पहले ये करना है, 30 से पहले ये कर रहे हैं, and it's okay. Just have fun.
Absolutely. Also, how has it been creating music during the pandemic? Is it as fun as you make it seem like, or do you have to really push yourself?
On the positive side, yes. Like we did get a lot of time on our hands.
Yeah.
If you were like lucky enough to not get COVID and fight with the whole system, the hospitals and everything, like that's what I'm saying. I've been one of the lucky ones. There were not many serious issues. So उस time मिला है. But seeing what's happening around you with your family, your friends and close relatives. So I've not been in that mind space to be able to focus on just music. But yes, wherever I did get the time, I did work on some songs. And I'm waiting to shoot a couple of songs which are pending since last year. So just waiting. जैसी situation better होती है, I'm just gonna go shoot and like release them.
Speaking about songs, you recently came up with some beautiful songs like Sang Rahiyo and Nit Nit. Which one has been your personal favorite?
My personal favorite is gonna come. Like the next two songs I'm releasing are my personal favorites. But yes, I've gotten a lot of love for Sang Rahiyo from people, and Nit Nit has a special place in my heart because it stars my dog, Kobe. So he's the most favorite member of our family. So वो song हमेशा special रहेगा because of his presence in it.
Right.
I sound very cheesy, but yeah, that's the truth.
Can you hum a few lines for us?
Yes, sure. निभनी नी तेरे तो मैनू है पता सी रखे यकीन बस मेरी खता सी दिल दुखा के मेरा तू ते सो गया है मेरे यारा रुस के बह गया इश्क मेरे तो मनदानी मेरी यारा तेरा गया कुछ नहीं मेरा रहा कुछ नहीं गल्ला तेरा सच नहीं ओ तेरा गया कुछ नहीं मेरा रहा कुछ नहीं Thank you. Sorry about the
Beautiful.
shaking.
Trust me, when I hear your voice, I get goosebumps. So kudos to you.
Thank you.
You've got a
Thank you. Thank
beautiful
you.
voice. So
Thank
let's
you.
move on and reflect on your journey a little bit. How has it been, especially as an indie artist?
Yeah, to be honest, like when I started listening to music, तो
Yeah.
मेरे दिमाग में ऐसे ना कभी रहा ही नहीं है कि indie and Bollywood. And like I grew up listening to Lucky Ali and A.R. Rahman, like my most favorite, obviously Shankar Ehsaan Loy, Amit Trivedi and every. And all these guys have done both film music and non-film music, and
Yeah.
I've loved the songs for the songs, not like because अरे ये तो indie song ही ज़्यादा अच्छा है या ये Bollywood song है तो ये बेकार होगा. Sometimes you have that
Right.
biasness.
Right.
तो वो मेरे दिमाग में नहीं है, and I just want to make music. तो somehow like that's what has happened in my journey also. Din Shagnada was released as an independent song on my channel, which got later picked up by Anushka Sharma for a film Filori. तो मेरे दिमाग में वो category नहीं है. A good song is a good song, and it doesn't matter if it's a film song or an indie song. So
Right.
that's how I think.
Who is your inspiration? Is there a particular singer that you really want to collaborate someday?
I love Lucky Ali's voice. It gives me goosebumps. I don't know. It just takes me to another world. And A.R. Rahman. I think he's my dream collaboration. His melodies are haunting, and I am a music composer because I got introduced to his music.
Right. Jasleen, your songs have taken social media by a storm, be it the covers, song renditions. Do you think that digital is the future of music?
Of course, of course. Digital is the future of many things right now. Like I like how the power has come to, it's not lopsided now. Like it's not with the labels or the corporates, and it's with creators too. So that's what I love about social media. Ki you have a song, you put it, and it'll reach people, and if it's good, it stays. If it's not, then you release another. It's not like there are people calling the cards कि तुम ये ऐसा बनाओ वैसा बनाओ उसके जैसा करो which used to be a little sad. But having said that, there's a flip side also. मतलब उसके बारे में पर हम बात नहीं कर रहे हैं. But हाँ मतलब digital is the way, and I think it's great.
Right. Also, last but not the least, can you tell us something about your upcoming projects? You mentioned about those 2 songs. Can you tell us what they're about and what can the fans expect from you this year?
The next song is going to be like totally different from what I've done so far. And personally, I like experimenting with my music a lot. मेरे को सेम तरह के गाने बनाना अच्छा नहीं लगता है. तो ये तो बहुत ही अलग है. And people will be like, okay, I don't know what the reaction is going to be, but it's going to be okay. I don't know, like, is it like good okay, bad okay? I hope they love it. And then there's another song which is featuring like one of my one of my favorite artists. Like he's a like male actor. In the video, so I'm really excited about that project. मैं ज़्यादा नहीं बता पाऊँगी. But as soon as things are clear, we'll connect again, and I'll be able to tell everyone who's listening to the interview.
That's amazing. Well, all the best for those 2 songs and many more songs to come.
Thank you.
That's a wrap from our end.
Yes,
Happy birthday in advance.
So much.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you, Priyanka.
Thank you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.